कुडतरीचे आमदार एलेक्स रेजिनाल्डान केल्ले आरोप उपमुखेलमंत्री विजय सरदेसायान न्हयकारले। कसिनो ऑपरेटराकडेन म्हजो कांयच संबंध ना आनी आपूण स्वता उदकान कसिनो नाका ह्या मताचो आसा अशी माहिती उपमुखेलमंत्री विजय सरदेसायान दिल्या। एडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
The CCP, I know it's not directly connected, but today the CCP
had carried out an enforcement drive
on casinos on the footpaths of
footpaths.
There was a major ruckus between the city fathers, including the mayor, and later the local MLA came. He was attacked by some of these people there. In the media, by the local casino staff. And the media was attacked. Some women came. So, and then when we spoke to the Kutori MLA, he said that this is that basically they have the guts to do this because they were politically backed, they were godfather, and your name also came into this. So I give you a chance.
I have absolutely nothing to do with this, and nothing to do with the casino operator. Who is the casino operator?
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy. If you know that I was the person who opposed it, which is how it was delayed coming into the water. So this Kurtori MLA, he has made this a case.
Yeah.
He's saying that you have never spoken against them. That's why.
That's why.
Why? How can I speak against? He wants me to speak. He wants to decide what I speak. There are so many issues which I spoke when I was in the opposition, which I cannot speak when I am in the ruling. I have to act, and in my way I act. But this is not a. This is a matter of urban development. It doesn't come under me.
What did you say about when Babu says that casinos should be moved out of the?
No, I am also of the opinion that casinos have to move out on land. Should be taken on land. This is very clearly stated in our party's stand. Officially, it is our stand.
Common minimum rules.
I am of the opinion, but at the same time, we cannot kill a model. No? People are getting employed in it. सगळी हॉटेलांची कोणी जी आहा ती कोणाची खुसार चलता. आज जी एअरलाइन भरून येता रातची ती कोणा खातीर येता. विचार करा मरे मायनिंग अशेंच इररिस्पॉन्सिबली उलोवन मायनिंग बंद पडली.
पण त्याच्यात दादागिरी
दादागिरी करूंक जायना. दादागिरीचेर एक्शन जावंक जाय. दादागिरी जर केल्या जाल्यार लॉ ऑफ द लँड इज टू बी फॉलोड व्हेरी स्ट्रिक्टली अगेन्स्ट दीस पीपल. एंड एमएलए अटॅक करूंक जर कोण लागले खंयची लॉबी जाल्यार तांच्या फाटल्यान लागचे.
Even there were some words which were said against the MLA. Even there were some words which were said against the MLA.
This what the MLA say. I have no connection whatsoever with the casino operator, and neither have I supported them anywhere. But on the whole, I am of the opinion that the casino industry बंद उडयतले हे पॉप्युलिझम जे चलता पळय ती तशी बंद पडूंक शकना. casino industry रेगुलेट करूंक जाय.
Some bad words which were used against the MLA. Is it fair enough?
I condemn the incident if honorable MLA was attacked or abused by the casino operators. I am of the opinion that a person who is elected has to be respected. He represents the will of the people. You cannot just attack someone.
मुखावयल्यो खबरो पळोवया एका ल्हानशा विसवा उपरांत।